Welcome to Brief Bites. In today's Brief Bites, let's take a bite on Bird Photography 101, Beginner's Guide for Settings, Finding Birds, Tricks, Equipment, and more. Video by Simon D'Entremont. You can find the original 28 minutes in-depth video link in the description below. Now let's get started.
Welcome to bird photography. Bird photography is a rewarding hobby. It combines the beauty of nature with the challenge of capturing fleeting moments. Patience is key in this pursuit. With practice, you'll improve your skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning is part of the journey. Bird photography allows you to connect with nature. It teaches you about bird behavior and habitats. It's a fun way to explore the outdoors. So grab your camera and let's begin. Knowing where to find birds is essential. Water sources are excellent places to start. Birds congregate around lakes, ponds, and even backyard bird baths. Check local parks and nature reserves. These areas often have designated birdwatching spots. Online resources are helpful tools for finding birds. Websites like ebird.org provide real-time sightings. You can connect with other bird enthusiasts. Join a local birdwatching club or group. Field trips offer valuable learning experiences. Bird identification is an important aspect of bird photography. Field guides are invaluable resources. The Sibley Guide to Birds is a comprehensive guide for North America. Pay attention to size, shape, color, and marking. Bird identification apps are convenient tools. They offer bird calls, songs, and images. Merlin Bird ID is a popular option. Mnemonics can help you remember bird songs. For example, the Northern Cardinal song sounds like cheer, 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 what cheer, what cheer. Getting close to birds requires patience and respect. Wear clothing that blends in with the environment. Muted colors like green and brown work best. Avoid bright colors that may startle birds. Approach birds slowly and quietly. Avoid making sudden movements. Never chase after birds. This will only scare them away. Let the birds come to you. Use a blind or hide for a better vantage point. Section 5. The perfect shot time of day and settings. The best time for bird photography is during the early morning or late afternoon. The light is softer and warmer. Overcast days provide even lighting. Avoid harsh midday sun. It creates strong shadows. Use a fast shutter speed to freeze motion. A shutter speed of 1/1000th of a second or faster is ideal. Choose a wide aperture or a low f-stop number to blur the background. This will make your subject stand out. Section 6. Gear up for bird photography success. A DSLR or mirrorless camera is recommended for bird photography. Invest in a telephoto lens with a focal length of at least 300 millimeters. This will allow you to capture birds from a distance. A tripod is essential for stability, especially when using long lenses. Consider a camera with a fast autofocus system. Birds are quick and unpredictable. A camera bag will keep your gear organized and protected. Don't forget extra batteries and memory cards. Section 7. From camera to computer post-processing basics. Shooting in RAW format gives you more flexibility in post-processing. RAW files retain more image data than JPEGs. Use software like Adobe Lightroom or Capture One. Adjust exposure, contrast, and sharpness as needed. Crop your photos to improve composition. The rule of thirds is a helpful guideline. Place your subject off-center for a more dynamic image. Don't be afraid to experiment with different crops. Section 8. Joining the bird photography flock. Joining a bird photography community can enhance your experience. Online forums and social media groups are great places to connect. Share your photos, ask for feedback, and learn from others. Attend bird photography workshops and seminars. These events provide valuable insights and hands-on learning. Support bird conservation organizations. Your photography can help raise awareness. Section 9. Sharing your passion, inspiring others. Sharing your bird photographs can inspire others to appreciate nature. Create a website or online portfolio to showcase your work. Print your photos and display them in your home or office. Consider submitting your photos to magazines or online publications. Participate in photography contests for a chance to gain recognition. Teach others about bird photography. Share your knowledge and passion. Section 10. Keep learning, keep shooting. Bird photography is a continuous learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new techniques. Learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. The more you shoot, the better you'll become. Enjoy the journey. Bird photography is a rewarding hobby that connects you with nature. Remember to be patient, respectful, and have fun. Now go out there and capture some amazing bird photos.
Thank you for watching. If this was useful, please subscribe and click the bell icon. And let me know in the comments below which longer videos brief bite you would like to watch next.